get me a better line up. Lately I've been feeling like a little rock star. Story of my life.
We have not shown you this. This is a Ford F350. This thing took forever to find. I was gone for about an hour and a half looking for this thing. I went to two Lowe's, I guess you would say it that way, and one Home Depot. The second Lowe's I went to had it. First Lowe's said they had it, they didn't have it. Home Depot said they had it, didn't have it. Second Lowe's, they had it, thank goodness. It is a T55 Torx security bit, for any one of you wondering. And that's what's used to get the seat bolts out. So I say now, we get started taking those out. I'll put you guys on the time lapse. Like I said, I'm going to take the rear seats out first, and then after we get that out, I think we'll vacuum everything, and then we will clean the carpet, and then we'll clean the interior and kind of get that freshened up and bring it back to life. So yeah, let's get on.
Without a cause, you're more than just body and brain, and he knows you by.
Yeah, he working on me. I say he working on me. Listen. Check. Okay, look, I was only like 11 when I found my purpose. Tapping into heaven when I write my worship. And I know we and we far from perfect, even though we just, homie, we stay working. Nostalgia, your parents like, I love that tone. This a sample that gon' make Jesus come back soon. Satan thought he had the victory, he spoke too soon. Cause after 3 days, Jesus up and left.
Okay. So now, I think I've got all the bolts out. That was a pain in the butt. You've kind of got to get the seat positioned like this and hold it there to get the bolts out on the bottom side, which is a little annoying, but you know what, we may do. That's as far as this door will open. Okay, so now we should be able to lean this. Okay. Now, as I was saying before my camera rudely died on me, we should be able to just lift the seat up and then pull it out. So let me put the other one down, and then we will pull it up and then pull it out. I undid them, which is probably not smart, but it's alright. There's another one, and then we got this one out. So now, the seat should theoretically lift up like that. And then, without damaging the carpet too badly, should be able to just flip this up like so. And then drag it out somehow. It's a lot heavier than I thought it would be. But, you know what? That's to be expected. I'm used to.
And far from the average, passionate, a slave cause I know who the master is. Resting in the hands of a carpenter from Nazareth. Craftsmanship, dust into magic just like Adam is. They said, are you sure? I said very cause I'm adamant. Chilling by the shore, I don't tarry, I'm just wary. Devil scary, I don't dodge, I just parry. Platypus, I'm playing, bring the hood back after this.
More than an accident, without a cause, you're more than just body and brain, and he knows you by name.
Oh yeah, he knows.
Yeah, he working on me.
Alright guys, welcome back. It's been about probably 2 hours, 1.5 hours since I last grabbed the camera. We just wanted to get down and grind and get the interior, or most of the interior done. But now I am throwing the mats down here. I'm getting ready to pressure wash those. We have gotten I'd say 98, 99% of the interior done. All we gotta do is the kick panels now, but they're out of the truck. And the whatchamacallit, door sills. we got to do that. So let me show you guys kind of the results. But as you can see, everything in here is clean. The headliner is a lot better. I can still wipe that down a little bit, but I only tried it for a few minutes. These doors are just kind of worn from the sun, but that's no big deal. But I mean, like I said, it's 100 times better in here. It smells 100 times better too. It's dirt out of there. But yeah, that's gonna bug me if I don't wipe that. Show you guys the other side. Like, I cleaned door panels, I cleaned the dash. Everything in here has been touched, or most everything in here has been touched anyway. Let me just wipe that. There we go. Just had a little bit of water drip down and it make a line. I can't be having that. No sir. All right. So there she goes. But yeah, like I said, it is very clean in here now. Looks very good for how many miles are on it, which is surprising because I wouldn't say I wouldn't have high hopes for this, but it was pretty dirty, and it came back to life really nicely. Like, there's scratches on the dash, like down there, but there's nothing really you can do about that. That's on like every truck. So I mean, there's no cracks in the dash. There's a couple scratches here and there, but really it's not bad at all. Headliner on this side's got one tear right there, but that's all good. Carpet, I couldn't get these things out. I think they're ink. I don't know what it is. It looks like highlighter, but I can't really tell. I fought for it for a little bit, then it eventually beat me and I gave up on it. But all the door panels are nice. I mean, even these here, there's no real scratching on them. I think what we're gonna do next is pressure wash those floor mats, clean all the trim that needs to go back in there, and then put the seats back in whenever Will gets back. So yeah, I think what we're gonna do next is pressure wash those floor mats, clean all the trim that needs to go back in there, and then put the seats back in whenever Will gets back. So yeah, because I can't lift it on my own. Well, backseat anyway. So yeah, we'll see you guys back in just a little bit. All right, so I started working on the seat. This is the passenger seat. This is the good side of the truck, and that's obviously the bad side. So we're just trying to get this leather conditioner and cleaner in there, and then we'll wipe it off in a second. The back seats are definitely easier to clean. Alrighty, it's been another couple hours. I just decided to put the camera down and grind it out, just because I was tired of, well, I wasn't tired of it, but I was just working. I was in the zone and I was just getting things done, so I just thought might as well just keep going. And the camera died on me anyway, so I was like, yeah, what the heck, who cares? Anyway, show you what all we got done. I got a light here, so boom. Everything is back in except for the two front seats, because we're ordering a skin for those. The dash is very clean. Headliner, it is better. Wow, I didn't realize how good that got. Tomorrow I'm going to go over and do that side, finish it up, and then I'm going to give it a wash, because the windshield should be done curing. Door panels turned out great. Yeah, I could hit that floor mat one more time, but I mean, it's a floor mat, it's gonna get used anyway. I can, if I really want to, I can pressure wash it again tomorrow. But yeah, it just kind of, oh, that's bright. So there we go. So yeah, I think that's going to be all for today. So just want to say thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoy this type of content, please let us know down in the comments down below, and then like it if you do. So we will see you in the next video, which will probably, I don't know actually which video, because we're actually ahead on videos right now, which is weird. So yeah, we'll see you guys later. Peace out. But we got out the carpet shampooer. I started working on that. I think I'm gonna hit this area again because it's just, the stains are still kind of soaked in there a little bit. So
I'm on 10 with my woadies. Shout out my homies, we gon' ball for them trophies. Like they can't hold me, thinking God, I've been chosen. Go through the motions, all them times I was hopeless. Now we the coldest. Look, I've been trying to tell y'all since like 1-3. Got my soul up in the trunk, get my God got the key. Spirit trying to talk.